Hi guys, this is Jennifer Liff, aka Bankston, also the owner of Jenny's Gourmet Treats and Eats. And I am on here to share an update with Chaos. We are actually here, I'm going to show you at the Planned Parenthood in Conifer, and we're about ready to walk in. I wanted to let you know, since we put this GoFundMe out, we have raised we've raised $1,280, which is absolutely amazing. Our bill right now is $2,500 for us to be able to get our puppy back. But I wanted to show you guys, I was able to get $1,000 right now, and I'm gonna bring it into them right now, and we are going to go visit Chaos and see how he's doing. They haven't been able to do the surgeries because his paws are healing, but we wanted to share a video with you just to let you know how he's doing. I know that a lot of you have donated, and we are so grateful for every single donation that has came in. Some of you have donated twice. We just can't thank you enough. I do want to offer a donation gift from my bakery for every single person that has donated, and for future donations as well. But yes, let's get going. We're gonna go in and see Chaos. So hang tight. Right, I was like, she probably remembers me. Yes. So I want to see him. I came here, but he was telling me that we could visit him after 10 o'clock. And so that's why we're here. We want to visit him. I brought his medication because I hadn't had it when I brought him the first time. It was just hectic getting him out of there, you know. And then I also have raised up over $1,000 from people, and I have that. And I want to give you guys that.
This we will take at the end when we take it home.
Oh, okay, perfect. So I'll just save on hold on to it. Okay, perfect.
And then I will get the doctors this, and I will go see. I know that they were
She was born July 21st.
doing. They had him on the table.
Okay.
So let me go see if he's done and awake.
Okay.
For you to visit.
Oh shoot. Okay.
Okay. And I'll be right back.
All right. Thank you. Okay. So after I wiped my tears, we were not able to visit with Chaos because they have actually started the surgery on his legs. So they were able to take the $1,000 that I gave them from the donations, and I did get the paper that I had to fill out that I'll show you. It's basically a paper I had to fill out that if I hadn't, hold on. If I hadn't been able to give them the money in time, that I would have to relinquish him within 48 hours. They gave me that back, which gives me 10 days from when the surgery is completed. And right now we have raised over $1,280, and I just can't thank you all enough. If you guys could please share our story. We are just super hopeful to get our puppy back as soon as the surgery is over, but we still have a ways to go, about $1,000, a little more. So thank you again, and I am offering donation gifts from my bakery as thank you gifts, because we are super grateful.